I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your security with two-factor authentication on your Visa card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the official Visa website or app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication and toggle it on. This will prompt you to set up your preferred method of verification. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select how you want to receive your verification codes, whether via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Make sure to choose a method that you have easy access to. Be careful with the SMS option. Ensure your phone number is up to date to avoid missing codes. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your verification method, follow the prompts to confirm your choice and save the changes. You may receive a test code to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now you're all set. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Visa account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.